Hey guys, how's it going? Karol over here from Undisputed Marketer, and in this video we're going to cover Warrior Plus, how to make money on it. So let's dive into this topic, and let me just give you an overview what we're going to cover. We're going to gradually cover Warrior Plus as it is, as the platform, what exactly it is. Then we're going to cover how to choose the products from it and how to really operate with it. So let's dive into this. Let me just give you an overview. What exactly is Warrior Plus? Warrior Plus is an internet platform for online marketers. You can either, as an affiliate marketer, choose products to promote, and as a customer as well, to buy products and to use them. Now, Warrior Plus is one of many different internet platforms for affiliate marketers. Others are, for example, ClickBank, JVZoo, Digistore24, and different others. Now, all of these platforms are great. They all are legit. They all work fine. They all have good products to promote. Warrior Plus is mainly focusing on the category of making money online in this niche, and some of the subcategories that are helping to this category of making money online. So for example, like email marketing, YouTube marketing, and different others that are really helping people to promote online and make money online. Now, having said that, I just want you to know that it doesn't really matter what kind of platform you choose to promote and to choose the product from. All of these platforms are great. They all have great products to choose from, and so it doesn't really matter which platform you choose. It's more of what you like more, what is more compelling for you, and it doesn't really guarantee any success that you're going to choose Warrior Plus or ClickBank or whatever it is. It's more about the strategy you implement into your promoting, into your delivering the offer to your audience. So I just wanted to let you know that this is the most important part in affiliate marketing. So let's dive into the Warrior Plus, and let's just have a look how it really looks like. So first of all, here you have the main page where you have the top products. You can choose them from today, yesterday's, last Sunday's, last 30 days, and so on. Now, if you want to have a wider look into all of the offers, into all of the products you as an affiliate marketer can choose from, what you need to do is click over here on the affiliate and into the offers section. Now, on this, here is a list of all the products that you can choose to promote. Now, what I do like about this list is basically the different filters you can choose from, and you can filter the products you want to do. You can filter by basically the poll score, launch date, sales, visitor value, average sale, conversion rate, and vendor, which is the product owner. Now, what you want to look for is, first of all, the refund rate. This is very important, guys, because if a product has a high refund rate, then it's more likely that the product is either not delivering what it's supposed to, what it was promising, or there is something wrong with the product, right? Or maybe the promoter was not really promising what it should be. So you need to look for something that has a really low refund rate. So anything above, I would say above 7, even 6% above is not very good product. Like 9% is not a very good one. I would really look at it with my guards up. Definitely 16% is a red flag. So you want to look for something which is 0%, 3%, 2%, and so on, right? Then there are the average sale, visitor value, conversion rate, sales release date. I wouldn't really put too much of time and effort into most of these. They are good to check, but I wouldn't really focus on them. The release date is good if you want to choose, you can choose two different aspects and two different ways of promoting and checking at the release date. You can either choose a product that is well established, so it's been here for a while now, I don't know, for example 2 years, and you can see that okay, this product is a good one, it's well established, the customers like it, there are quite a lot of sales, etc., etc. Or you can go for something that is a newly released product, and therefore you can just skip all this competition, because with a new product you won't have that much of a competition in regards to affiliate marketers, right? So it all depends on what you want to choose from and what is best for you. Now, if you choose a product that you want to look for, then what you need to do is, click on the name of it like this. I'm just going for this one like an example because it's the first one on the list. And here is basically the affiliate offer what you get. Now, first of all, you want to check the sales page of the product. So you want to click on here, view JV page. Now, what you want to do here is, this is basically the sales page of the product. This is what your customers are gonna see. So you want to go through this and check if it is something you want to promote. This is something you want to promote. If it is something you like, if it is compelling for you, if you can and if you want, you can also join the product. It's always beneficial for promoter or for the marketer to be the customer of the product that they promote, because you can just tell your customers even more about the product itself. And so just go through it and see if it is something you like, if you would like to promote it. Now, if it is something you want to promote, then what you need to do is go over here into either funnel map or the product. Now, funnel map is basically a graphic illustration of how all the upsells and upgrades work in the product itself. But what I like to do is just click on these products, and here are all the products listed, what the product owner is offering to their customers. Now, the first thing is that the first product you are going to start with, or you are going to offer, is the first one, which is the cheapest one. In this case is the Monster Mode 700K, which is priced at 18.40 US dollars. Now, it's very good that the first product is a low priced product, because this is something that really breaks the ice between the customer and the product itself. Now, having said that, you offer this product to your customer, they buy, and therefore they are going to be offered by the product owner all of these different offers, all of these different products in certain times, and therefore you're going to get also the commission from all of these products. Now, by the customer, that having said that, the customer already bought the first product, they are more likely to buy more from these guys, because they already know what to expect. They probably like that kind of product what they received, and that basically really breaks the ice. And now you can see over here, you get 50% commission from almost all of these products, so which is pretty great. So you want to really see this and have a look at it for yourself and see if it is worth something you want to go for. Now, guys, after you decide the product that you want to go for, you need to request an approval to sell this product. This is a little bit different to ClickBank, where you can get affiliate links without even asking for permission or anything like that. And here you do need to request an approval. I think it's very similar to JVs, where you need to request approval as well. Now, the reason behind this is basically the fact that many emerging affiliate marketers in the beginning, they just get the affiliate link, and they post it everywhere they want. Like, they just spam it on Facebook, on different blogs, forums, wherever they can. And basically the final result is that on one side they are not getting any sales, or very little, if any, and on the other hand it's really destroying the reputation of the product itself, right? So with Warrior Plus, they decided that they are gonna put inside this request approval to really defend their products, which I find quite a good idea, because in this way you're gonna at least commit to doing it seriously. So if you decide that you want to choose this product, for example, you're gonna click on request approval, right? So in this, and over here you're gonna just write something to the product owner explaining that you want to promote their product. Now, in most cases you're gonna get approved without any problems, even without typing anything in the request notes. You might get some, rejections, especially if you are a new promoter with well-established products. Now, the reason behind that is, as we spoke about, is that these product owners, they are a little bit of scared with new affiliates because they don't want their products to be spammed all over the internet. So what you gotta do with product that you really want to promote is, write out a good message. It doesn't need to be long, very short one, 2-3 sentences maximum, and explain to the product owner, address this to directly to the product owner, which in this case, if I'm not mistaken, is Brian Winters. So just address it to Brian, like, hey Brian, this is Karol. I really love your product. I'm a customer of it on my own. If you are, it's gonna help. If not, then just don't mention it. So I'm a customer of it my own, and I really do love it. It changed my life, it changed my business, and I do have a great audience for this particular product, and I do believe I can really promote it to the best of my abilities and to the needs of my audience. That's it, right? And then just so simply write this over here and click on request offer. Now you should get a message or a response in a few hours, sometimes even in minutes. Sometimes it takes even one day, but usually few hours. You're looking at few hours. Now, guys, if you get rejected even after writing this message, I don't want you to freak out. It's not the end of the world. There are many different other products that you can get approved for, and just keep in mind, it's not about a particular product. It's not that there is one magical product that is gonna give you all the success you want. It just doesn't really work like that. I'm sorry if you thought it works like this. It really doesn't. It is very important to choose a good product that is of a good value to the customer, and it has a good value ladder, which is the different products you can get commission from. But it's not that one product is the best one and all others are crap. It doesn't work like there are many good products like this. It's more about the strategy you put inside it, the way how you promote it, the way how you deliver the product and the offer to your customers, right? So just bear that in mind. However, if there is a certain product you really want to promote, it's something you really want to promote, then there is a good exercise, good strategy that I found just recently. And it's basically you want to record a very short video of yourself. It's better to do it with your face, but it's not a necessity. And you wanna, in this video, you wanna address it to the product owner, in this case Brian, and just explain on this video how you're gonna promote this product. So just explain the strategy, the way how you're gonna promote it, where you're gonna promote it, and post it on YouTube. Upload it on YouTube as a private video, so nobody else is gonna see it. And then grab the link of the YouTube and paste it in over here in the request approval, and send it with that link to that owner. Most of the time, this really helps to getting approved. So this is it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got lots of value from this. We've covered the Warrior Plus and how to really make money on it. And listen, if you are the person who really wants to learn affiliate marketing, who you want to get into this affiliate marketing and start earning money with it and build your career and your business in it, but you are a little bit of, you don't know where to go for, how to do it, and you want to learn the strategy, how to implement it, how not to be attached to just one strategy, one product, or one traffic source, then I highly encourage you to click the link below in the description. I've put into a 4-day free video series for all of you guys, where you're gonna learn each day something new about affiliate marketing, about the strategy to implement and how to really work it out for you. So I hope you get lots of value from it, and there is also a way for us to work side by side together. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I will see you soon. Bye, guys.